Today we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for your overall health, your kidneys. These bean-shaped organs work tirelessly to filter waste products from your blood and regulate blood pressure. But here's the thing, just like any other organ, your kidneys can be vulnerable to damage, especially from an unexpected source, your diet. Certain foods can put extra stress on these vital organs, leading to serious health problems. We're talking about everything from high blood pressure to kidney stones, and even kidney failure in severe cases. Stick around till the end of this video, because I'm going to break down the top 10 food culprits that could be quietly damaging your kidneys. Let's get started. First up, we're tackling the salty culprit that's lurking in so many of our favorite foods, sodium. It's in everything from chips and pretzels to canned soups and even bread. Now, I'm not saying you need to banish salt from your life completely. A little bit of sodium is actually essential for your body to function properly. It helps with nerve function, muscle contraction, and maintaining the right balance of fluids. But here's the catch. When you consume too much sodium, it throws your body's delicate balance out of whack. This can lead to water retention, swelling, and increased blood pressure. Your kidneys, in an attempt to flush out the excess sodium, have to work overtime. They filter your blood, removing waste and extra fluid, but too much sodium makes this process much harder. High sodium intake is like clogging that filter with gunk, making it harder for your kidneys to do their job effectively. This can lead to a buildup of toxins in your body. Over time, this constant strain can lead to a whole host of kidney problems, including high blood pressure, a major risk factor for kidney disease. High blood pressure can damage the blood vessels in your kidneys, reducing their ability to function properly. And if you already have kidney disease, high sodium intake can make your condition even worse. It can accelerate the progression of the disease, leading to more severe health issues. Start by reading food labels carefully and choosing low-sodium options whenever possible. Look for products labeled low sodium or no added salt. And remember, those processed foods and restaurant meals? They're often loaded with hidden sodium, so be extra mindful of your intake. Opt for fresh, whole foods and ask for no added salt when dining out. Let's talk about processed meats. Those tasty but often unhealthy culprits like bacon, sausage, hot dogs, and deli meats. I know, they're convenient and oh so delicious, but unfortunately, they're not doing your kidneys any favors. Processed meats are typically loaded with sodium, which we already know is bad news for your kidneys. They're also packed with preservatives like nitrates and nitrites, which can further damage those delicate organs. If you're a meat lover, try swapping out processed meats for fresh, lean protein sources like chicken, fish, or plant-based options. Your kidneys will thank you. Now, let's talk about those sugary beverages that seem to be everywhere. Sodas, sweetened juices, sports drinks, and more. They're often marketed as refreshing and energizing, but there's a hidden danger lurking in these sweet treats. And let's not forget those fancy coffee concoctions loaded with syrups and whipped cream. They might look tempting and taste delicious, but they come with a hefty dose of sugar. I hate to break it to you, but these sugary drinks are not your friend, especially when it comes to kidney health. Consuming them regularly can lead to serious health issues. Just like processed meats, sugary drinks are often loaded with a double whammy of sodium and sugar. This combination can be particularly harmful to your kidneys over time. Excessive sugar intake can wreak havoc on your kidneys. It can lead to a decline in kidney function and increase the risk of kidney disease. Studies have shown a strong link between sugary drink consumption and an increased risk of developing kidney problems. The more you consume, the higher the risk. Ditch those sugary drinks and opt for healthier alternatives like water, unsweetened tea, or other low-sugar beverages. Your body will thank you for making the switch. Or try infused water with slices of fruit for a touch of natural sweetness. It's a refreshing and healthy way to stay hydrated. Your kidneys and your waistline will thank you. Making these small changes can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. Don't worry, meat lovers. I'm not here to tell you to give up your favorite burgers and steaks entirely. But when it comes to red meat, moderation is key, especially if you want to keep your kidneys in tip-top shape. Red meat, while a good source of protein and iron, can also be high in a compound called purine. High levels of uric acid can harm your kidneys. Enjoy red meat in moderation, and focus on incorporating more plant-based protein sources into your diet. Your kidneys will appreciate the balance. You might think you're doing your body a favor by swapping out sugary drinks for those diet sodas and artificially sweetened treats. But here's the thing. Artificial sweeteners might not be as innocent as they seem, especially when it comes to your kidneys. Some studies suggest that they could potentially harm your kidneys. If you're looking to reduce your sugar intake, focus on natural, unprocessed sweeteners in moderation, or better yet, train your taste buds to enjoy the natural sweetness of fruits and whole foods. It's something to be mindful of. Let's talk about alcohol. A social lubricant, yes, but also a potential threat to your kidneys, especially when consumed in excess. Your kidneys are your body's built-in filtration system, working tirelessly to remove waste products and toxins from your blood. Alcohol, however, puts an extra burden on these hard-working organs. Excessive alcohol consumption has been linked to a number of kidney problems, including kidney stones, high blood pressure, and even kidney failure in severe cases. So if you want to protect your kidneys, it's crucial to moderate your alcohol intake. Your kidneys will thank you. Phosphorus. It's a mineral that's essential for healthy bones, teeth, and cells. But here's the thing. Too much phosphorus, especially in people with kidney disease, can be problematic. When your kidneys aren't functioning properly, they have trouble removing excess phosphorus from your blood. This buildup of phosphorus can then lead to a chain reaction of health problems, including weakened bones, heart disease, and even an increased risk of death. These high phosphorus culprits include red meat, dairy products, processed foods, and certain types of beans. If you have kidney disease, your doctor might recommend limiting your phosphorus intake to help protect your kidneys and overall health. Let's talk about caffeine, that morning pick-me-up that many of us rely on to jumpstart our day. While caffeine in moderation is generally safe for most people, excessive caffeine intake can put a strain on your kidneys. Caffeine is a stimulant that can increase blood flow and blood pressure. Over time, this added stress can potentially contribute to kidney problems, especially if you already have underlying kidney issues or high blood pressure. If you're a heavy coffee drinker or have any concerns about your kidney health, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor about what level of caffeine intake is right for you. Balance is key. Potassium. It's an essential mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining fluid balance, regulating blood pressure, and keeping your muscles and nerves functioning properly. It is found in many foods we eat daily, such as fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. But here's the thing. Just like with phosphorus, too much potassium can be harmful to your kidneys, especially if they're not functioning at their best. Excess potassium can lead to serious health issues. When your kidneys are healthy, they do an amazing job of filtering out excess potassium from your blood. They maintain the right balance to keep your body functioning smoothly. But when your kidneys are damaged, they may not be able to keep up with this task as efficiently. This inefficiency can cause a dangerous buildup of potassium. As a result, potassium can build up in your bloodstream, potentially leading to a condition called hyperkalemia. Hyperkalemia can cause symptoms like muscle weakness, fatigue, and irregular heartbeats. If you have kidney disease, your doctor might recommend limiting your intake of high potassium foods. This dietary adjustment can help manage your potassium levels and protect your kidney health. Moderation is key for kidney health. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are often touted for their calcium and protein content. But when it comes to kidney health, it's important to consume dairy in moderation. Dairy products are a natural source of phosphorus, which, as we discussed earlier, can be problematic for people with kidney disease. When your kidneys aren't functioning properly, they have trouble removing excess phosphorus from your blood. If you have kidney disease or are concerned about your kidney health, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian about the appropriate amount of dairy for you. Balance is key. So there you have it, the food culprits that could be quietly damaging your kidneys. Remember, your kidneys play a vital role in keeping your entire body healthy, so it's crucial to make choices that support their optimal function. By being mindful of your diet and making healthy swaps, you can give your kidneys the love and care they deserve. Prevention is always better than cure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more health tips and advice. Take care of yourselves, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.